Those of you that are trying to lose weight and are thinking, you have to let go of rice to lose weight. No, you don't. You don't have to let go of rice. You can eat your rice and still lose the weight. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to say a very big thank you to those of you that watched my last video, those of you that subscribed. Thank you so much. I'm really grateful. If you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, click on the notification button to know anytime I post a new video. And yeah, please, let's get right into today's topic. Today's topic is a very controversial one. It's about eating rice and gaining weight. So there is this misconception about rice making you add weight, right? But in the real sense of it, rice doesn't make you add weight. I've been eating rice for so long and I haven't added any weight or anything like that. So there are things that you need to do to prevent rice from making you, add weight. And it includes that I have 4 lists of things. The first one is portion control. You need to know how to portion your rice such that you don't eat so much, because rice is very high in calories. So make sure you don't take more than the recommended serving. The second thing is, don't use so much oil when you are cooking your rice. I don't use more than half teaspoon or max of 1 teaspoon when I'm cooking. Whether I'm cooking fried rice, jollof, or whatever, I don't use so much oil. So using little oil will also help to reduce the calorie in your rice. The third thing is add vegetables. Vegetables will bulk your rice up because you are eating very little. If you add vegetables, it will bulk it up and also make you feel full for longer. And that's basically what I've been doing that has been helping me eat my rice and still lose weight while eating it. And then last one, drink water. Water is great. Yeah, so guys, I bought this rice from the grocery store. Yeah, and this is the rice that I'll be cooking today. And on checking the nutritional info of the rice, they said 1/4 cup. Look at it, 1/4 cup is 170 calories. Guys, 1/4 cup is very tiny, very small cup like this, and it's 170 calories. It has 37 grams of carbohydrates, no fiber, and it has 4 grams of protein, no fat. So guys, this 1/4 cup, let me show you how small 1/4 cup is. Let me show you my measuring cup. So look at my measuring cup. Sorry, I just brought it out from the flour, so the flour grain is still inside, but I just want to show you how small the 1/4 cup is. Look at it. Can you see? This is 1/4. Can you see how small it is? It's very small. So I'm going to measure it out now so that you guys will see. This 1/4 cup is 170 calories and it has 0 grams of fiber. You need fiber to keep you fuller for longer, and so because of that, we'll need to add our vegetables. Vegetables will provide you with the fiber that you need. So this small rice, by the time you add your vegetables, it will help it will bulk up your rice. So that is another thing that I do to help. transmission. Yeah, so I want to analyze the calories in the rice and the vegetables. Yeah, so I made 1/4 cup of rice. From the nutritional info, you would see that 1/4 cup of rice is 170 calories. Yeah, I used 90 grams of vegetables, mixed vegetables. The mixed vegetable, I think, is a combination of carrots, green beans, um, green pepper, and what's it called again? um Sweet corn. Yeah, and 90 grams is the same as 2/3 cups. So for those of you that do not have a food scale, if you have a measuring cup, you can use your measuring cup, measure 2/3 cup of the vegetables, and that should give you 1/3 cup into two places. Yeah, so that's 2/3 cups, and that gave me 50 calories. If you add 50 calories to the 170 calories from my rice, that's about 220 calories. Yeah. I used half teaspoon of oil, which is I used half teaspoon of oil, which is 20 calories. So add 20 calories to my 220, that's 240 calories. And then my seasoning and my spices should give me about 30 calories. So add 30 calories to 240 calories, that will give you 270 calories. So the whole meal is not even up to 300 calories. That's 270 calories, right? And it will last you for a very long time because it's a high fiber food. You know, I added vegetables. The vegetables will give you fiber. The rice has 4 grams of protein, and you can also add your protein choice. You can add your fish, ejapala, croaker, tilapia, anyone you like. You can add your fish, you can add egg. Yeah, but for me, I use boiled egg to eat mine. Yeah, so that is the calorie calculation of the rice, 270 calories. And that rice actually lasted me for about 4 hours. Yeah, 4 hours before I took something else. So really, it's a win-win situation. You don't have to, eat so much calories because you're consuming rice. You can eat your rice but at a lower calorie, and you'll still lose weight. So for those of you that are trying to lose weight and are thinking you have to let go of rice to lose weight, no, you don't have to let go of rice. You can eat your rice and still lose the weight. All you have to do is to be mindful of how much rice you eat. If you can use this method, eat very little, and add vegetables to it and protein to it while you're eating it. It's really, really, really going to last you for a very long time. Right? All right, that is all that I have for you today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell to know whenever I post a new video. Please comment in the comment section if you have any question you want to ask me about the measuring cups, about the food scale, about the food, where I got the rice from, or where I got the vegetable from, or any question it is at all you have about weight loss. I'll be more than happy to answer all of your questions and all of your confusions. So yeah, don't forget to comment if you have any question, and see you guys later. Have a nice day. Bye.